Assalamu alaikum. My name is Furqan Hafiz and I'm the delegate of Poland. I am from the school Pakistan Islamia Higher Secondary School, Sharjah. The main topics which we are having a discourse on are number 1, the disarmament of nuclear weapons, and number 2, prevention of youth from the extremist group. So my committee is General Assembly. I'm working on the resolution for the complete disarmament of nuclear weapons, which is the topic 1. I would love to encourage the students which are taking part in the Model United Nations, and I would love to convey a message so that they could be confident. They must have their public speaking skills, they must increase their public speaking skills. And at last, I'm waiting for the Model United Nations 2020. Thank you so much.
My name is Shanza Shah. I'm from the City School International, and I have been taking part in the committee ECOSOC to talk about 2 important topics: women empowerment in social, the role of women empowerment in social enterprises, as well as the regulation of cryptocurrencies. So the first thing that we did was discussing the importance of women empowerment, and now we have been coming up with resolutions to talk about how to improve the case of women empowerment throughout the world. One of the important clauses that we discussed in the resolution was to give women paid maternity leaves and the option to work from home so that they are more empowered and they can support their families even when they're on the leave. The second clause was also about women empowerment. It was that women should be given higher education and sponsorship and scholarships in those educational processes. So I would just like to say that this committee session has changed me a lot. Even though I've been to 2 before this, I never spoke up a lot. And this one has really encouraged me to speak about such important issues that we usually don't consider in our daily life. Therefore, I just want to motivate others to come up, take part in such great committee sessions and such great opportunities, and not to be nervous at all. It's a very normal thing, and it is also very normal to get nervous, but it's fine. It reduces our fear, our nervousness, and it encourages us to speak publicly and to learn about the great issues that we're facing around the world today.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amal Khan, and I'm from Pakistan Islamia Higher Secondary School, Sharjah, participating in the Pakistan Youth Forum Model United Nations. This is my first experience ever. The topics that we are working on as the delegate of Germany in the Security Council is the conflict in Kashmir and Sudan. We are working towards a resolution in Sudan for banning illicit trade of weapons to military. Before these 3 days, I was like a person who did not have so much confidence, who did not have any information regarding any countries. But after these 3 days, it has transformed me into more confident, given me more teamwork spirit. And I would request all the students listening to me to please participate in any such events that you have the opportunity. Do not miss such opportunities. It will reform your confidence and give you so much experience. Thank you.
My name is Faiz Asif. I'm from the City School International, Dubai. I study in year 11 and I am part of the United Nations Human Rights Council. I am a delegate of the Philippines, and these past 3 days have been a hell of a ride. We have been discussing 2 topics, modern day slavery and climate justice, and it was great talking about those topics. We debated back and forth with other delegates from other countries, and we reached resolutions for one of those topics. My resolution paper passed, so yeah. And then we've been getting a lot of opportunities. I've been developing my speaking skills, my research skills. My confidence has been boosted a lot. So I would recommend other students, other people to do this, as it will be really helpful for them in the future when they have to speak in other conferences and on other stages, as they will be better at speaking. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Shazak Kashif, and I am a media team member at Pakistan Youth Forum Dubai. For the duration of PYF-MUN, I have been serving as chair of the United Nations Human Rights Council, or UNHRC. Now, MUNs are typically conferences where delegates get the opportunity to grow a lot as individuals, but as a chair, I've had an equal opportunity to grow as a person. As chair to such a diverse committee set with students ranging from different educational backgrounds all across the Emirates, I've learned a lot in how to manage different skill sets. And in that process of passing motions and maintaining decorum, I've made lasting connections and friendships with these students. As chair, you are endowed with the responsibility to establish equality across the committee, to make sure every student gets the chance to speak up. Every student gets a chance to develop and grow as a person across the conference. That has been a challenge, but I've enjoyed it immensely. And seeing those delegates today grow from the person they were on Thursday and the people that they are today on Saturday, the last day of the conference, has been a wonderful thing to see happen. And I look forward to more editions of PYF-MUN in the future and hopefully be a part of it again.
Hi, this is Talha Kamran from Pakistan Islamic Higher Secondary School, Sharjah. I'm representing Poland in Security Council. I had an amazing experience in this PYF-MUN. This PYF-MUN has given us the platform and courage to show our passion for international relations and politics.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Ahmed Farooq from Pakistan Education Academy. I was a part of Pakistan Association Dubai First MUN as a delegate from UK in the Security Council. It was an amazing experience here. POF MUN guided us to use our knowledge and construct a debate and a resolution. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fahd and I came from His Highness Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum Pakistani School, Dubai. I was invited here in Pakistan Youth Forum Model United Nations for 3 days, as the committee session was also for 3 days. I discovered here my self-abilities of how to gain more confidence and how to stand up for constructive debates. Pakistani Youth Forum Model United Nations has guided us to use our knowledge to build a constructive debates and resolutions. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shahir Asim, the head delegate representative from the City School International at the PYF-MUN 2019. Now for the past 3 days, I've been actively participating in the General Assembly Conference. And this time duration has taught me a lot. It has taught me how to better socially engage with my partners, how to take constructive criticism, how to respect the opinion of others. I believe this has been a very enlightening experience for me. The staff and authority over at the PYF-MUN is something that I'm really appreciative of, because they have driven us to better understand and explore our internal potential and drive to create a better world around us. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yusuf Dawood Al-Balushi and I'm from Pakistani School Ajman, and I'm the head delegate of Pakistani School Ajman. I've been here from past 3 days in the PYF-MUN, which is the Pakistani Youth Forum Model United Nation. It has taught me a lot. It gave me experience, it gave me confidence, and I'm really thankful to the Pakistani Association Dubai for arranging such a great platform for the youth to show their potentials. This has helped me to gain confidence, and this has also helped me to engage with different people socially and to make friends and to raise the points that I could have never raised in any forum other than that. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I'm Amir Khan from Pakistani Islamic Private School, Alain UAE. I'm head delegate of Pakistani Islamic Private School. We are coming to PYF-MUN since 3 days. It's an amazing experience for all the youth, for us. As an experience, we can talk in front of the world, and we can express our feelings and our opinions to solve the issues of the world. PYF empowered and enlightened us to discuss the issues of the world, to realize and have a solution in our real life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Greetings and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamda Haider, the head delegate from English Language School Private Dubai. Attending the 3-day conference of PYF-MUN has been one of the best decisions I've ever made, because it has taught me how to interact with people of different religions, cultures, opinions and interests. It has also taught most of us how to face our fears and social anxieties, how to interact with people we don't know. I'm pretty sure this conference has been helpful to all of us in regarding social responsibility, and I seriously think that PYF-MUN is an opportunity that most people should not at all miss out. That's all. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I'm Sumaika Tariq from His Highness Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum Pakistan School, Dubai. And for the past 3 days, I've been attending the PYF-MUN 2019. First of all, I would like to thank all the organizers and team members that have put effort to create such a respectable platform for students where they can come and share their thoughts. On a personal level, PYF MUN has taught me many valuable lessons. First of all, it has taught me how to respect other people's opinion even though if you don't agree with them. Secondly, it has made me able to recognize my strengths and my weakness, and I highly recommend each of the students to join this as it gives you very valuable lessons.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Haroon Afzal. I am the head delegate of Pakistani Islamia Higher Secondary School, Fujairah. It has been 3 days since we are attending the PYF MUN 2019 at Dubai. And first of all, I would like to appreciate the staff members who have arranged this program for us. PYF MUN 2019 has laid down a platform for us where we can bring out our confidence and interpersonal skills, and they have taught us how to socialize with other people, and this is something that should be done every year. Thank you.